Hello everyone, this is Haralambos Pissouros, Senior Technical Analyst here at IronFX Global, bringing you technical updates for August 7th. Today I will update the technical picture of Euro-Dollar ahead of the US employment report due out today. I would also like to talk about Aussie Dollar, which retreated after hitting resistance at 0.7420, hit support at 0.7320 and then rebounded. So let's start our treatment with the Euro-Dollar currency pair. Euro-Dollar traded somewhat lower, found support at 108.75 and then rebounded to hit resistance at 109.35. During the early European morning Friday, the rate is trading slightly below that barrier, and since the possibility for a lower high still exists, I would consider the short-term trend to remain negative. I would expect the bears to eventually take control and drive the battle down for another test at the 108.75 or the 108.50 barriers. Today we get the US employment report for July, which is expected to show another NFP print above 200k and to show that average hourly earnings have accelerated. This could be the trigger for the aforementioned down leg. As for the broader trend, as long as Euro-Dollar is trading between 108 and 115, I would consider the longer term picture to stay flat. I believe that a move above the psychological zone of 115 is the move that could carry larger bullish implications, while a break below 108 is needed to confirm a forthcoming lower low on the daily chart and perhaps turn the overall bias back to the downside. Now let's continue with Aussie Dollar. This pair slid after reaching the 0.7420 resistance barrier, hit support at 0.7320 and subsequently it rebounded to move back above the 0.7350 line. I would expect the positive wave to continue and aim for another test at the 0.7420 line. A break through that barrier is likely to extend the bullish wave and perhaps open the way for the psychological zone of 0.75. Our short-term oscillators reveal upside momentum and support that the pair could trade higher for a while, at least for a test at the 0.7420 line. The RSI moved above its 50 line and is now pointing up, while the MACD, already positive, has bottomed and could move above its trigger line soon. On the daily chart, the completion of head and shoulders formation and the move below the psychological zone of 0.75 signaled the continuation of the prevailing longer term downtrend in my opinion. Therefore, I would consider any possible further advances as a corrective move of that major downside path. I would expect a clear move below 0.7250 in the future to open the way for the psychological zone of 0.70. So that's it for today. For more analysis and charts, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Haralambos Pissouros, Senior Technical Analyst at IronFX Global, wishing you solid trading.